Top 12 software tools for aerospace engineers. Hey everyone, welcome back to Aerospace Engineering Enclave, your go-to source for all things aerospace. If you're passionate about flight, space, and cutting-edge technology, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into an essential topic: top 12 software tools for aerospace engineers. Whether you're a student or a professional, mastering these tools can give you a competitive edge in the aerospace industry. Aerospace engineering is a field that heavily relies on advanced software tools for design, simulation, analysis, and project management. Stay tuned as we dive into each tool in detail. Let's get started. First up, we've got MATLAB. This powerful tool is indispensable in the world of aerospace engineering. You can't talk about aerospace engineering without mentioning MATLAB. It's the backbone of many projects and research in the field. It's the go-to language for anything math-heavy, and aerospace engineering is full of math. From basic calculations to complex algorithms, MATLAB handles it all with ease. MATLAB handles data analysis like a champ, making sense of complex flight test results. Whether you're dealing with raw data or refined metrics, MATLAB's robust functions simplify the process. Need to model a system? MATLAB's got your back. Its simulation capabilities allow you to create accurate models of aerospace systems, from aircraft dynamics to control systems. It's even got toolboxes specifically for aerospace applications. These toolboxes provide specialized functions and tools tailored to the unique needs of aerospace engineers. Tons of online resources and tutorials are available so you can learn at your own pace. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, there's always something new to discover. Trust me, putting in the time to learn MATLAB is one of the best investments you can make in your aerospace career. Mastering this tool opens up countless opportunities and enhances your problem-solving skills, making you a more effective and efficient engineer. MATLAB was developed by MathWorks. Alright, so you've dipped your toes into MATLAB. Now get ready for its equally awesome cousin Simulink. Simulink lets you bring block diagrams to life. Imagine designing a control system for a new aircraft and building a virtual version of that system. You can run simulations to see how your system behaves in real time. Simulink integrates seamlessly with MATLAB, making data analysis and design refinement a breeze. Embrace Simulink's graphical interface. It's a powerful tool that can elevate your aerospace engineering skills. Simulink was also developed by MathWorks. Buckle up, because we're diving into ANSYS, the heavy hitter of the engineering simulation world. This software is a game changer for engineers, providing unparalleled capabilities to simulate and analyze complex structures and systems. ANSYS is the undisputed king of finite element analysis. It stands out in the industry for its precision and reliability, making it the go-to tool for engineers across various fields. It breaks down complex structures into tiny pieces to simulate stresses, heat distribution, and more. This granular approach allows engineers to predict how materials and structures will behave under different conditions, ensuring safety and efficiency. ANSYS wraps complex math in a user-friendly package. The intuitive interface makes it accessible even for those who may not have a deep background in mathematics or physics. Tons of resources are available to help you master this software. From online tutorials to comprehensive guides, ANSYS provides a wealth of information to get you up to speed. Mastering ANSYS is like unlocking a superpower in the aerospace industry. The ability to simulate real-world conditions with such accuracy can significantly enhance your design and analysis capabilities. You'll be able to analyze and optimize designs with incredible accuracy. This precision is crucial for developing innovative solutions and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aerospace engineering. Embrace the power of ANSYS. It's worth the effort. The time you invest in learning this tool will pay off in the form of enhanced skills and better project outcomes. With curiosity and effort, you can master this incredible tool and unlock a world of possibilities in your aerospace career. The future of engineering is here, and ANSYS is leading the way. ANSYS was developed by ANSYS Inc. Let's dive into 3D modeling with SolidWorks. SolidWorks transforms your aerospace concepts into reality. Craft detailed 3D models of every component. Evaluate your designs, run simulations, and create manufacturing drawings. SolidWorks is intuitive and user-friendly. Numerous tutorials are available online. SolidWorks is a must-have tool for any aspiring aerospace engineer. Immerse yourself in 3D modeling and unleash your creativity. SolidWorks was developed by Dassault Systems. Let's talk CATIA, synonymous with high-end aerospace design. CATIA is the older, wiser sibling of SolidWorks. It handles complex aircraft designs with advanced surfacing tools and multidisciplinary optimization. Simulate and analyze designs in incredible detail. Perform structural analysis, computational fluid dynamics simulations, and optimize designs for weight and performance. CATIA has a steeper learning curve, but the rewards are worth it. Mastering CATIA opens doors to exciting aerospace projects. Dive into CATIA and shape the future of aerospace. CATIA also was developed by Dassault Systems. Let's dive into a hidden gem, OpenVSP. OpenVSP specializes in aerodynamic design. You can create and modify aircraft models and analyze their performance, adjust shapes and receive instant feedback on lift, drag, and stability. OpenVSP is intuitive and free to use. It's an excellent tool for learning the fundamentals of aerodynamic design. Try OpenVSP and discover its powerful capabilities. OpenVSP was developed by National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA. Let's talk about testing with LabVIEW. LabVIEW is the ultimate tool for data acquisition, instrument control, and automation. Connect your sensor to your computer and visualize data in real time. Develop sophisticated test sequences and automate complex experiments. Perform signal processing and analysis on the fly. LabVIEW can be intimidating at first, but the learning curve is worth it. Mastering LabVIEW gives you a huge advantage in aerospace. Make LabVIEW your friend for a career in aerospace. It's a powerful tool that will make you a better engineer. Open doors to countless opportunities in testing, measurement, and automation. LabVIEW was developed by National Instruments. Let's dive into structural analysis with HyperMesh. HyperMesh is the premier meshing and pre-processing software for finite element analysis. Generate precise and efficient meshes for complex geometries. Assign material properties, apply loads, and refine your mesh. HyperMesh offers a robust pre-processing environment. It enables you to set up simulations effectively. HyperMesh may seem challenging initially, but the effort is worthwhile. Proficiency in HyperMesh enhances your analysis capabilities. Utilize HyperMesh to design safe and dependable aerospace structures. Address intricate geometries and optimize your designs with HyperMesh. HyperMesh was developed by Altair Engineering. Let's dive into NX, a groundbreaking tool in the realm of product development. Often dubbed the Swiss Army knife of product development, NX lives up to its reputation. NX integrates design, engineering, and manufacturing into a single unified platform. With NX, transitioning from 3D modeling to simulations and generating manufacturing instructions is seamless. The software's advanced surfacing capabilities allow for the creation of aerodynamically optimized shapes. Virtual testing in NX significantly reduces the need for expensive physical prototypes. NX enhances innovation and collaboration with tools that streamline teamwork. Mastering NX requires dedication, but the benefits are substantial. Acquiring NX skills prepares you to tackle any design or engineering challenge. Make NX your partner for a thriving career in aerospace engineering. Enhance your technical prowess with NX and unlock limitless opportunities in product development. Whether you're designing the next generation of aircraft or pioneering space technology, NX equips you with the tools for success. NX was developed by Siemens PLM Software. Let's dive into Python, the versatile and beginner-friendly programming language. Automate data processing, analysis, and visualization with Python. Use Python to automate repetitive tasks and control hardware. Explore machine learning and artificial intelligence. Python's syntax is clear and concise, making it easy to learn. Tons of resources are available online. Make Python your ally for a career in aerospace. Python will make you a more efficient engineer and open doors to countless opportunities. Python was developed by the Python Software Foundation. Let's dive into end topology. The next generation design software. Create lightweight, high-strength components for hypersonic aircraft. Leverage implicit modeling and field-driven design for intricate lattice structures. Achieve performance optimization at the micro level. Integrate design seamlessly with advanced manufacturing processes like 3D printing. Produce fully functional parts with complex internal channels. A solid understanding of engineering principles is essential for using N-topology. Push the boundaries of aerospace design and manufacturing with N-topology. Discover the bleeding edge of aerospace design. N-topology is your playground for innovation. N-topology was developed by N-topology Inc. Introducing SharkCAD Pro, the ultimate toolbox in the CAD world. Seamlessly switch between 2D drafting and 3D modeling. Craft precise technical drawings and bring your designs to life in 3D. Utilize specialized tools for aerospace design with the AeroPack add-on. SharkCAD Pro is both affordable and versatile, ideal for students, hobbyists, and small businesses. Manage everything from 2D drafting to 3D modeling and aerospace-specific design tasks. Try SharkCAD Pro and unlock your potential with this powerful tool. SharkCAD Pro was developed by PunchCAD. While you don't need to master all 12 of these software tools, becoming proficient in just a few, such as 2 or 3, can significantly enhance your design career. The specific tools you'll need often depend on your specialization, company's preferences, and the section of a project you're assigned to. Learning a few key programs or tools will not only make you highly effective in your role or specialty, but also make it easier to adapt to new tools if the need arises, as the foundational skills you develop will be transferable. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest content. Let us know in the comments which software tools you're most excited to learn about. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.